The weave is dying. And forgiveness is dead. I could not give her what she sought. The blessed sisters of Kadai and Kitharai seldom allow prayers to go unanswered. But one should always be careful seeking favors of goddesses. One never knows quite how it will end.
Txatxi. Txatxi, oso txatxi. Y epa lagunok ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera, ongi etorri Vermintide honetara, ja apur bat ninja erotikoak utzi ditugu alde batera. Eta abar, hartuko dugu kasu honetan bardin. Hau, horrela bardin. Eta joango gara partidatze batzuk jokatzera. Eta hau zer da? Bai, bero. Bai. Bero. Lanean, eta orain, hori da. Lanean lan, eta lanetik kanpo ez dute zer jakin nahi lanari buruz. Hori. Gazta eta ura. Batez ere ura. Bueno, odolaren jainkoaren txat kaosaren korneren jarraitzeleak esango lukete. Baina hemen odola isuriko dugulako zuetzen korne gurekin ere posiko gongo dela. Baina beno. Ez dakizen bat buruz... eta burezur... Eus dut, 6 burezur bakoitzeko... haupai. 6 burezur bakoitzagatik puntu bat lortzen duzu korneren puntuazio mailan. Beraz, emat eta etxe gehiago akatu eta odol gehiago isuri, alik eta hobekin. Eta esatuko gara berriro, behingoagatik gauzak ondo egiteko aukera ematen dugu. A ber, lehen da bizi, zen misio ditugun egiteko. Bardinekin partida bat, bale. 25 elite akatu. Konforme. Ala. Guerrillanekin. Eta listo.
Turns out that the Packsworn have been kidnapping folk from villages in the Grey Mountains, right in the shadow of That's right. Castle Drakenfels. A pumpkin for everyone who guessed right. The powers that be have noted our past interest in the place and wondered if you'd take a look and set things straight.
No.
Raiders? Not worth killing.
Luego hacen...
Transport your bigger Dory.
Luego hacen...
Looks like we'll need that map ornamented. Which way to the front? Let none follow who cannot match my zeal.
Just as well you're not a steam tank, Saltfire. We'd never get you up this hill.
Vale, luego hacen...
Up here.
Aye, you've mastered a trick known to an elf child of 3 seasons.
Any survivors?
¿Dónde hago?
Kill that slaughter!
Oh, Hookrats! Cruel amongst a cruel kid.
We cannot fight the storm. Kill its creator.
Catch! A dead pag master is a sight for
Vale, luego
sore.
hacen...
It's up here!
Vale, joan non dago asti hori. Asti madarikatua. Bueno, lantzerekin hobeto.
Time for a bit of shielding. Good. More fruit than Carillions, more fun on the battlefield than anywhere else, mate. Skaven Gunner! Don't let me die with my boots on. Heal, Roma! You're of no use, Ned! Hostile dog, get behind me!
Hala, pikutara. Beti ezin da irabazi. Vale. Besteak? Ah, vale, men. Vale, vale, Will gara gotonek bizik daude. Guazen eltzaiarekin.
Who's grabbing that bomb? Bombs away! Fine, Claw! You've learned something from me after all! Come on, Grimgy, hit it in the head! Help me! Zilla's gooey! Bothersome son of a goat! No, there's not going to be now. Stay close to me, you see the path? Listen, assassin! We're on the right track! Sir, please stop shooting me!
Vale, ongi.
More bloodshed. Let us hope the faithful... Be swift! Find the map! Potion, lend me vigor. Indiscriminate slaughter in the service of heresy. What's the delay? It'll be fun. Like seeking out buried treasure. Nice to be out in the fresh air.
Harto show.
What am I looking at? We've drawn the pack swans into this. Be ready. Fight through them! Plague Raki coming to say hello! Ready? Kill the surging black stormer before he kills us! Rothelm incoming! That flight stormer will trouble us no more!
Have a care! Hail warrior!
Venga. Bi gainera.
Even your winds have winds, dwarf.
Ez agur. Bueno, batzutan galtzen da. Ez beti ez da irabazte, baina beno. Itxaron, lantzat eta eskutu bat. Norentzat. Baina, utxe aukeratzen gauzak. Joe. Agia DLC-arekin bakarrik lortu dezaket hori.
Now,
Bera
there's a
penetan
sorcerer
agian.
lord creating quite a hullabaloo down in what's left of Helmgard. Turns out it's Burble Spew Hailscourge, the same fat bastard who ordered the theft of my book collection in Ubersreich, remember? Alicia says he's conjuring up a city-sized plague mist which will make the rot blood stronger and kill any decent folk. So, ride the guildsman's lift into the centre and just stove his bloody head in. No one steals from me.
Conforme.
Not much trouble so far, Dory. Better change quick, for this doorway starts looking for ale.
Step lightly or suffer the consequences. It's always the way.
Righto, mates. We've a sodding sorcerer to offer. Good deed of the day and a bit of fun, all in one. Right, that's another down.
Darkness! Pressing in. The gods are returning. We should not be found wanting.
6 more down! And that to stop a doorway. Guildsman's lift. Guildsman's lift. Where is the healing draft?
Oh, sembra.
Means of descent beckons. Anyone fancy a bomb?
Besteak ez duzu hartu, ala?
If that's an ambush, I'm not impressed. Just listen to that.
Ze ambus.
Here, have a bomb.
Blackfire! On its way!
Come to us.
He's the guard! The dwarf is down. Eat him!
I keep hearing you speak of the weave, Carillion, but not what it is.
It is the heart and soul of the world. Its suffering is ours also.
Funny. I've never noticed anything.
Or perhaps you merely missed the significance. Make no mistake, you are bound to its fate.
You hear that, lad? Leech prowling. Oh, Dory!
Thanks, Martin.
Ah, kaka. Kaka, berdin da.
For you, sis.
Stunner warrior comes for us. Done ready.
Joder.
Aye, you've mastered a trick known to an elf child of 3 seasons.
Surely you've a little more to give us, Ungi. Look for a crossing. There must be a path within this tangle of ruin and remorse. The pack sworn have sunk half the cruising town. Long way down and a narrow path. It's a damn Kasaki doom, that's what it is.
Uste dut Carillion Warrior Stalker modua. Hobeki agora beltzen duala.
This weave you speak of with such reverence, do you worship it as divine?
Of course not.
I am relieved to hear it.
The weave transcends the divine. Your Sigmar serves it, as do we all.
Do you feel as you're all teetering in the boat?
I'd avoid those canals, mayflies.
Pikutara. Aldatuko duena.
Look! Hillside!
Oso ondo. Hil nautelako bi aldiz, bale, oso ondo. Ba, berdin zait. Ipotxeekin jokatzeko aukera daukadan. Sorbalda. A ver, no joango gara orain.
The fellas I work for, well, that's what
Vale.
I think, are getting a bit concerned about Castle Drakenfels again. Seems the Packsworn are making free with the place, and there are reports of folk going missing in the nearby villages. Sort it out, would you? Trouble at Drakenfels is trouble we don't need.
Quick march! Let's get there fast, eh?
Alas, we may already be too late.
Do you believe Loner's tale of secret passages and maps?
We're too late. Let's see what's what. Watch the sides. There'll be Packsworn nearby. See him fall!
Ah, praise the comet! Ammunition! We must reach the temple. Loner spoke of a secret passage and a map.
Aye, you've mastered a trick known to an elf child of 3 seasons.
Up here! No dawdling!
You ever hear Loner talk about his superiors before, Saltzfire?
I have not. I confess I always considered the road. If
I wonder who he answers. I'd like to know who I'm dealing with.
As do I, Master Dwarf. As do I.
Keep moving,
Come here,
Mayflies.
gas
We're
rat!
not
I've a
destined
gift
to fall
for
here.
you!
Joder, sentaldearekin
Man,
hobeto.
always compensating with machinery.
Look out! Gas!
A ver. Baina oso gertatuta. Hartu dut tomo bat eta gero eta dut tomo bat. Baina, nire zer... Ba, berdin da.
it. Now let's...
Ondo.
This way.
Vasen gora.
That's all.
Ammunition, should you have a care?
Vasen. Vale, hemen ez dago ezer, joan behar gara gora. Iparraldera.
Out you come, assassin!
Kill the hook, make it
Joder, benetan.
hot after a dog.
That's a gas rat. Poisoned rat's dead. Down the hatch! Over here, quickly now! Don't rush in! Those are plague monks!
Oh, that has to be the tempting place.
Vale.
If they seized the villagers, they'll be bound for travel.
Blood, body and soul!
Vale, vasen.
Oh, shall we keep revisiting old triumphs, eh, would tell me?
Lantza botatzen da hori,
Bet the rats
zergaitik.
hidden away.
The dead require vengeance.
Do we reckon the
Bai,
pack's
mapa hau esautzen dut.
Draken. I keep telling you, Kruger, there is no Draken.
Well, I saw him once.
Impossible.
I thought we were looking for a map, not whatever that is.
We've thrown the pack swans into it. Be ready.
Push through. We can't afford delay.
Clean vermin! Kill on sight!
Nena, ibiltzera.
A roadhouse! Clumsier than you, page-wise.
Reckon I hear that gun rat. Rattling gun, move! Take out the watchfire, throwers! Fire rat's dead! Chaos warriors dead. That's all! Rolling killing! You're a criminal to your regiment. It's all service, peasant. We all crack eggs in the same cause.
Same cause. Yes, of course. We are so alike.
Bueno, bueno.
That rasping breath and gas rat.
A hook rat. Cruel amongst a cruel kin.
Ha! I hear a Blightstormer's chant.
That Zimmer's Doomy won't be a problem now. Storm vermin.
By Sigma, the Hammer, and the Emperor!
Watson. $4 billar.
Healing draft.
Satu dorai.
Oh, hope I'm drinking. Need your wounds binding, Saltspire.
I thought you forest folk hardier than this.
Watson. Chorikes.
Could be worse.
8 aku luka mañana chorikes.
That sure that wasn't.
I bet Matt makes me think when we reach Drachenfels, otherwise we're stumped.
The warrior rats, I'll have it.
Oh,
And we've been here before, haven't we?
That's a good dummy, Dory. Supplies for our ranged weapons.
Etor morlief
Vermin among them.
iargi.
That's it, Brad. This potion better exhaust. Reach down! Blaze Sigma! The potion's here!
It's just as well you're not a steam tank, Saltspire. We'd never get you up this hill.
I'm sure I don't know what you're talking about.
A ver. Watson.
There she goes, our skinny little wave of activity.
Watson.
War steam circuitry attack.
Madre da gehiago gatu esto.
Big sacks of Clover deer. Out of that mess, now! Keep your elbow up, your door's open.
You dare! And you, Rubam, I shall heed your advice.
Vale,
As you
contus.
should, Grimgy. No one wants to lug your corpse around.
A strangler comes. We should kill it swiftly.
This way.
Izenik gabeko
Sigma has
pilotza.
guided us to healer's tools.
Ja, niko dauka.
Is it too much to ask for a moment of respite?
I hope it's not spoiled.
You hear that, lad?
Leech blowing!
We killed the leech, Jory!
A stash of explosive devices.
Assassin's coming! Bombs!
Leech is down!
Shield bearing Kagaraki!
I don't see how anyone can bring himself to live near Drakenfell.
The faithful take root wherever they need, trusting to Sigmar to preserve them.
Storm vermin!
Vale, bazen gora.
Storm vermin! That's flames! They bring warm fire to the battle!
I think we broke the warp fire thrower.
Ah, you're getting the knack of this, Jory!
Not bad. For a one-eyed mayfly. I die. Return me to the soil.
I've seldom seen an elf die.
Mayflies, I need help.
Sikarama, elf! I've told you before!
A vile brew, make no mistake.
Bazen gora.
Anything we can use to get our bearings on the map?
Erain hemendik. Drakularen gaztelu horretzara.
More black!
Ja, bueno, orain eskumatara.
No. We need a way around that
Horrez
gate.
aurrerago
I found
eskumatara.
8! Blessed Grail. That was a bit close.
That statue is marked on the map.
Shielded rat, check your swing. Backstabber. Potion. Rattling gun.
The entrance is somewhere behind these statues.
Help me! Assassin's on me!
The gunner's dead!
At last.
Vale,
Down
bizi ala
among the
hil.
dead. Lovely. Health to all, and confusion to our foes.
This shall redouble my zeal. Strange that the gargoyles lack for head.
I beg your pardon?
Iepa jargi. Hemen gabiltzapur bat
Well known to man.
Warhammer berbintani ematen.
The wrong things. Glory and favor.
Bueno, oraingoz bi parte galdu ditugu eta hau ba ezakit nola joango den. Espero dut ondo joatea. Vale.
Gods.
You seem sluggish now. Can you still...
Shake off.
Poison rat. Find it. Kill it.
How dare they strike me down?
Someone aid the elf. We've lost our elf. Bloody Globadier. Can't spot your bigger glory. Salt fire is gone. Yeah, bloody earth.
I don't get you need to heal. You like that stink of some gear? Over here!
Dale, a ver.
Gruber's gone! Eyes open for Raggy Blade, help me!
Ai, ba bueno, beste bat galdu duguna. Hau ez dugu lortu, ala? Vale. Bartuko dugu beste heroi bat, berdina baina beste heroi bat. Eta jokua joan da pikutara. Aupai. Eta nabil pentsatzen ia zein joko ekarri zuzen gehiagotarako. Agian For Honor ekarri dezaket berriro. Hor nahikotxo sufrituko dudalako ziurrenik edo, bueno, pentsatuko dut. Dawn of War ere ekar dezaket zuzenekoetan, baina hor paketazo bat naiz. A ber. Baina badauka historia modu bat. Hori bai, historia bat badauka asko zero beto. A ber. Ez dakit zergatik itzi zaidan jokoa, baina beno. Egia esateko berdin zait. Red Dead Redemption Online ere frogatu nuen zuzenekoan. Baina ez dakit nola garabatzen den, edo gordetzen diren gauzak, beraz. Ikusiko da. Badirudi orain ongi joango dela. Beraz utziko dizuet trailerra berriro. Esango nukelako nahiko bolida dela. Baina joko honetan badidudanez pertsone guztiak nivel altuenean noizbehinka bakarrik jokatzen dut.
The weave is dying. And forgiveness is dead. I could not give her what she sought. The Blessed Sisters of Kadai and Kitharai seldom allow prayers to go unanswered. But one should always be careful seeking favors of goddesses. One never knows quite how it will end.
Atzo eta eren egun egin nintuen bi zuzeneko, egun bakoitzean bat zen ranka gura bukatzeko behintzat eskola sekretuena. Eta hau ekarri dut apur bat, ezberdina izan dadin. Gauza da, For Honor ez dakit ondo funtzionatuko didan ordenagailuarekin eta OBS-arekin. Bere garaian arazoak izan dituen. Sister of the Thorn. Vale, hala. Gustatu zaizu trailerra argi. Pertsonairen ikaskuntza berria. Ez nahi jokatu honekin. Hala. Despoja cráneos. A ver. Eta honekin aurrera. Behintzat ordu bat eta erdi zuzeneko egin nahi dut. Zuk gaur zuzenekorik egiteko asmo daukazu argi.
See if you can find any survivors from the villages. But first and foremost, find out what those grubby buggers are up to. I don't like the feel of this one. No one goes to Drachenfels for innocent reasons. Well, except you lot.
A ver. Non gaude. Caspita nate.
Don't deny that you know how to kill elves. Poggers fear. Waiting. Two known regiments vanish without trace of others. Help! Help! I can't change war.
Oso on fire gainera.
Those chuckers. All of them.
Up here, Gory. Lost.
Euskal Streamerrok tube hori egiten dugu, eta ere euskera hizkuntza moduan ez gaituzte jartzen, baina bueno. Egin sartu beharko, emango beharko diogu kaina. Izan behar gara, ekin eta ekin denbora guztian.
You've learned something from me after all! That warp fire thrower's getting closer.
Is that all? I was hoping for an explosion. Ha, maybe next time.
Azkenean kantzagarriak baldin bagara, lortuko dugu gure helburua betetzea.
It's up there!
A ver. Hori eskin berria da, benetan. Ni esango nuke hortik ez dela, Kerilian.
Light leech lurking, mayflies.
That rasping breath, a gas rat.
Watch out! Leech incoming! I hear a blight storm. It must be silenced.
Vale, nondik da bidea orain?
These stones are cold. As if evil.
Thank you.
Let's not waste it.
Ammunition. Take all you can.
What? Free. Free. At last.
Goaz hemen beste bat salbatzera.
Bless you. The rest. A ritual.
A ritual, eh? Sounds like a job.
Above!
Ba, orain arte.
Eyes open. Don't let that Blightstormer take us by surprise.
These stones are cold. As if evil were embedded deep in their very being.
Kaixo. A ver.
Chucking a board.
That's no natural flame, it's a Rakita!
Through the door!
Kendu erditik. Madari gatuo. Deleztea baldin badago. Agian aurrerago elezi beharko du. Uste nuen ekainan 30 ateatzen zela.
Not bad for a fellow with one eye.
Sigmar guide my flag.
Wish he'd guide mine. Or better yet, send me a nice cool flag of
En
flame.
Calagón.
Call these fools friend, so why don't you tell them about your failure?
Come again?
Lightstormer, enters existence. Have you ever been held captive yourself, Kruger? Other than by, Ram?
Well, there was the debtor's jail.
Ah, I see. Say no more.
That drunken rampaging gnome, and worked there. And
Enough, please. Just,
A ver,
leave me with my illusions.
orain nondik da.
The Lightstormer! Bring him down before he comes!
Ezin da bidea. Vale, agian hortik. Vale, hemendik da. Vale. Bizitza.
Go away!
Louder, Dory. Not a bad drop, considering.
Vera.
I reckon the ritual's done, mates.
Dead is dead. We can do nothing for them.
Orain izkina batean jarriko gara, ezerekin. Orain festa etorriko delako. Eta orain ezin dugu hil. Baina, bueno. Ja, baina horri ezin dugu minik egin.
He's following me. That ain't fair.
All you wish. I set your strength fading. Weakness overcomes you. I'll have filed my cauldron.
Oh, the lady have shields now.
Fight for Saul.
Blood everywhere, and another one's gone. Kill the fire rat, Springberardi, while you still can.
Slaughter them, my minions.
Vale, caca.
Not so good in a fair fight, assassin.
That's all.
Hala, guazen.
Feeding! God preserve me.
Down the gob, tried and true, the legend lives, it's Mugman's brew.
Y pocha beste oso top da. Vale, helburua lortuta. Bueno, bat behintzate hasi dugu. Ui. Oh. No sé, a ver. Algo ese no, nada. Dirua. Dirua. Hemen. Borrokara. Barrura.
Kruber, do you really plan on spending the rest of your short life under One-Eye's thumb?
Oh, no, I don't. And this ain't exactly the first time you've asked about me and him.
So?
So, the fact is, it appears you care about absolutely nothing in the human world except my relationship with Saltspire.
Ha! Really? I have to endure the sight and sound of you two every single day, and it drains my sanity. Apparently, I'm not as good at shutting out the world as I used to be.
Well, then try harder. We do.
Bueno, cornerak dira hobeto.
Bardin, you're late. How in Ranald's name are the others gonna fare?
Nora joango
without
gara orain.
singing? That's right. Stop me if you've heard this one before, but the Ratmen have raised a bloody great bell up on Helmgart's ramparts. Crazy little buggers will worship anything near as I can tell. Problem is, there's no way to know if this is a purely ceremonial lump of bronze or a lodestone for our Grey Seer's magic. We'll have to destroy it, just to be safe. And by we, I mean you.
Smashing a racky bell again? Oh, that could have been more creative.
Mayflies, Skaven only appear cunning. We shouldn't read too much method into their madness.
Yes, fascinating input as always. Now stop flappering and get on with it! We have holy demolition to do! Good brew or not, that potion will be useful. Sigmar is our shield, and our flaming sword.
Potion! Don't waste it.
Lovely sword! Stop showing off! You'll never be as good as Ockreed.
Listen, Leech.
Great! Slay it swiftly! This door is unsealed,
Cannot hide.
Come here, was it? Someone give me a reel. Hogger, I'm still standing. Do it proper. Oi, I really enjoyed the extra mile today. A mile living with corpses.
Not bad for a one-eyed mayfly.
Healing trap, over here. No shortage of death. Pass this deluge! My righteous violence shall not be checked by a mere downpour. Hookrat! The Packmaster's done for! Congratulate on the store! Nowhere around here. Look out! Chaos Warrior! It's a gutter runner!
Frost of weakness.
You just need
Tibita, borrika. Lasai. Osa, bakoitzaren zereginak dira. Beraz, alde horretatik lase egon zaitezke.
Ready yourselves, Ringalazi! Chaos Warrior! Justice finds thee! This is about to get messy.
Goazen.
Lysicle's dummy door reach.
I come for you!
Chaos Warrior, just what we needed. I do believe you're getting better at this, dwarf.
Well, takes a few battles to get everything flowing the way it should. And to shake off that keg of ale you downed last night, I shouldn't wonder.
Mañana ere Sister of Thorn horretan gerren harritzen dagoena da orokorran joan nahi direla orain batzuen gainean. Bueno, niretzat.
Strangler!
This is bad. That's even bad. Real bad.
Yeah! Dead flame spouter.
Vale, nondik da.
Oi! Assassin! Show yourself! The poorest of Helmgart's districts. Still much ground to cover.
Agur. Bueno, orain bereziak direle aitortu garra dago,
Over here, mayflies.
Now that's a global hit. Savage!
Hortik dela. Au! Ez ustean harrapatu nau.
What goes on? Listen, blink switch! Light stormer, someone close. Ah, no, you can't. The auto blind.
Bada espada. Pasen ahora.
That's what we call killing. You're a credit to your regiment. Listen, fire rat. That wolf fire rat won't give us any more grief.
Etortzen diren arte.
Very well, but they're not the door we built.
Batez ere bidea hemendik delako.
A hookrat, cruel amongst the cruel kin.
A ver. Ia gure kerilian.
Ugh, that smell. Like festering flesh.
Silence that Silazumi!
A la festa. Hau bai dela festa. Gainera, euren jainkoa, nurgleitzen dela, ba, bueno. Nola esango nuke hau.
There are too many of them. Lost those words.
Deskomposizioaren eta gauza raro hauen jainkoa da. Señor de la descomposición y enfermedades.
I see a Silazumi over there, a Stormweaver.
Hortik ez da.
Well, I guide my steps.
Hortik bai.
It's this way. Looprat's dead. What for assassin? Sweet soul, a fire rat! Destroyed by technology, elf.
Filthy thing! I never want to touch one again. So many dead.
A ber, hemen gauzak non dauden eta hori nik ez dakit.
To me! Now!
Come on, up here!
Gazi gehiago ditut.
If I die, return me to the soil.
Au, caca. Erruga neurea.
Rescue elf. Here! It's here! That's your healing draft!
Vale. Hori nik behar dut.
Indeed, for one often forestalls the other.
Noizbait etorriko dira. Goazen gora.
Lumberjacks, always falling behind. We do it.
Kaka. Nireak egin du. Nire bi etorri beharko dira.
It's nothing. Just trading, that's all. Besides, couldn't do it without you. I'll not waste a drop. What's up there?
Vale, han daude. Vale, ipotxa hor dago.
Follow me! Cracky Cogsworth somewhere near.
Nice.
Globe lobber coming in. Never did like potions. Oh well, any port in a storm.
Gora, 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 gora.
Here to find me.
Eskanak, bai.
Shall we face them together, Kruber?
good kill, sir. Keep your elbow up. Your guard's open.
You damn!
Arku.
And you?
Arku.
I shall heed your advice.
Markus.
As you should, Grimgate. No one wants to look your corpse around.
Markus.
You owe me for this. It's not that bad, Mayfly. Finish me if you dare.
You can use the radio.
Au. Non dago gure sorpresa. Ja, hor dago gure sorpresa.
The weed calls me back. I need to heal. Show some patience.
A ber, ea tortzen diren orantza. Oraindik ez gaude libre,
Oh, look at that elf go! She's hell-bent on wading these deep through blood.
Goazen.
One moment.
An empty quiver serves no one.
Goazen. Gutxi falta zaigula.
Strike them down.
Twice the glory!
Vale. A ber. Helburua lortuta. Orain nengo dugun izango da. Ora aurpegia kendu. Bueno. A ver. Bai, helburua lortuta. Itxaroten nago ate hasi arte horrela egiten dio raida. Bueno, eta hau da gerilalen gela. Hemen lo egiten du eta guzti. Eta hor ikusten da zenbaterako min egiten duen gure armak jotzen dugun tokiaren arabera. Buruan askoz ere gehiago. 33. Badugu hemen eta botatzen badugu horra internetzen bat mina egiten du. A ver. Espadaren zenbat. Pim pam, pim pam, pim pam. Eguraldia hemen oso ondo ez dagoela dirudi. Orduan hartzen badugu hau, frogatzearren. A ver. Eta gero gazen frogatzera hor. Ondo geita bat. Daro geita bat. Segaitik gormin gehiago. Eta hemen gutxiago. 22 gehienez. Eta hor bitartean gauza zintzitzen. Ate azten denean abisatu, mesedez.